Yo, what's going on, everybody? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Today's video, we're going to be soft washing a house with surfactant and bleach, okay, downstreaming through our 3.5 DeWalt GPM pressure washer, okay? So in this video, I got this job through Facebook advertising, and we're going to be washing all four sides of the house, okay? If you want to have me get you more jobs through Facebook ads and literally over the phone set up and manage your Facebook advertising, give me a text at 843-888-2371. okay? So I set up somebody's on Sunday, Michael, and literally he just texted me last night around 11 p.m. saying that he already got a $300 job. Okay, so it's literally amazing. I've got about 55 guys and we're only letting in 70. Okay, so 15 spots left for me to literally set up and manage your Facebook advertising month to month. Okay, and I'm only accepting a few more guys, so get in on that. Text me right now, 843-888-2371, and let's go ahead and jump into this video. All set up, and we're basically downstreaming to where you just put a little siphon tube that comes with the pressure washer right here, and it pulls the bleach. Okay, there's bleach and surfactant here, and we're just going to be spraying it on the house. Okay, you'll see a little bit of black and green, especially right here. Look at that. Okay, so that'll come right off. Okay, so that's kind of what we're rinsing today, and it'll be a nice little transformation. So all we are going to do is basically spraying bleach and soap onto the house. It's as simple as that. To do that, we're just using the J-Rod here. Okay, this is our soap and rinse tip. So it's really that easy, guys. Now in the back corner right there, there's a gate right here, so I need to do my 3-story tip to soap that area. And that's it. So now we're going to switch to our 25-degree soap and spray this real quick. Now please keep in mind that we have to let it sit for about 5 to 15 minutes, okay? Depending on how bad it is. So we're gonna let that sit and let all that clean off, and then we'll go ahead and rinse. Okay, so now that our bleach and surfactant mix has been sitting for about 15 minutes, all we're gonna do is rinse it off with a freshwater rinse, okay? We're going to start from the top and rinse down to the bottom.